Hi guys, welcome back to Renpet Bath Beauty. I gotta get some gloves here. Unprepared yet again. Today we are making a remake for me, but a new one for you. If I can get my gloves on. We're making it's our Osiris recipe, and it's inspired by the AC/DC song Dirty Deeds. Did you hear any of that? It's inspired by the song Dirty Deeds by AC/DC. The fragrance is called Black Ops, and it is a dupe of something. I'm going to have to look it up. I'm going to have to, if it is, I'll put it in the description box below. But let me get my bentonite clay, my yogurt, and my cream all mixed up, and then we'll add our lye. Gotta take the temp really quick. Okay, we're at 87. That works. So, our lye water consists of a 50-50 mix of distilled water and aloe vera juice, salt, and sugar. Put all of that in there and mix it all up. Alright, here we go. Okay, we're at a very, very light emulsification. I'm going to have to stick blend both my colors. This is a black and white soap. That's all it is. It's just black and white, and it's sort of a gradient, I guess. I'm hoping that I can repeat the effect I had last time I made it. I don't know. We'll see. Okay. So, this is our black and this is our white. We need a little bit more white than we need black. And I can always add more TD if needed. Scrape this baby out. Oh, I guess we're going to have equal amounts of black and white. Well, we'll figure it out, guys. We will. Okay. Let me, gotta reach over you. Sorry, need a spoon. Ugh. For my activated charcoal. Which, like I said, I'm gonna have to stick blend. Hopefully that's dark enough. It should be. That's a lot of activated charcoal, I know. And if I remember correctly, this fragrance does not race nor accelerate. So here, I'm going to get this all mixed in. Okay. Yep, that's black enough, guys. Dirty Deeds. Now I have the song in my head. Like, big time, have the song in my head. It's another one of those that, you know, try not to sing it. Okay, I'm going to make sure I got all of that mixed in really well. Stir my white. Okay, so we're going to put half of it in the black and half of it in the white. Well, okay, maybe there's a little bit more in the black than there's the white, but that's okay. Yeah, it doesn't race. Yeah, I was pretty sure it didn't. It's been a while since I've made this one. Oh, I'm going to have to turn my fan on. And like I said, this is sort of a gradient. Sometimes when I do it, if I'm being impatient, it looks more like a gradient tiger stripe. Or tiger, tiger stripe. Okay. So the first thing we're going to do is lay a base of black. I'm going to bring you guys in closer so y'all can see. That's too close. Woo! Too close. Too close. Too close. Okay. Let's go this way. All right. Let me shake that. Put it down. This is some of that mold that does that thing. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour a little bit of my white in there. Just a little bit. And I'm going to mix it in with my black. And that's just what we're going to do. We're going to keep mixing in a little bit of our white every time to make lighter and lighter. And like I said, sometimes this comes out like a tiger stripe, but you know, we do what we can here at Renpet Bath Beauty. And I just spilled that all over. All over. That's okay. We'll live a little bit more. Oh my gosh, you guys, I really have this song in my head. The kids and I, you know, because it's a weekday, I get my grandkids from the bus, and we were watching the Lego movie earlier. That movie cracks me up. If you have never seen it, and you know, even if you're a grown-up, it's fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. Okay. Oh, I can hear my phone ringing upstairs. A little bit more. I don't hear my phone ringing anymore. I wonder if my daughter answered it. My daughter's here too. She got off work at 4:30. That's why I'm able to be down here soaping with you guys. Because all parents are with all their children. Okay, sorry. I'm making a big old mess everywhere, so. Big old mess. Look at that, you guys. Gosh. I know. Not soaping right if you're not soaping messy. But I gotta get this off the sidewall. There is like a lot of soap right here on the sidewall. Okay. Is there any over there? No. Alright. Well, not enough to be of concern. I really think that maybe I should have made some more black. But it is, you know, stark white at the top, so. So how's everybody doing? I hope your week went well. I'm still trying to get caught up with all the soaps that we're out of. And we have a whole bunch of shows this month and next. And then I will be able to get caught up with everybody. With comments and watching my fellow soapy sisters and brothers. And I just feel so bad. I just don't have extra time anymore. And when I do have extra time, I've been running a fever the last couple of days. And I'm not sure why. I mean, I know the weather, you know, the weather changes crazy here in Michigan. And both my grandkids have the sniffles, so I don't know. I guess we'll have to wait and see. I'm gonna go see the doctor. Today is a Wednesday. I'm gonna call him tomorrow, and usually he's really good, and I should be able to see him on Friday. So, I mean, I'm fine. I feel fine. I'm just running a fever, so just want to make sure everything's good. That looks almost the same color, y'all. Okay. Let's go a little lighter. It's definitely thickening up, and I think that this is going to be layered pretty. It's not going to look like a tiger stripe like it did last time. Can you hear my grandkids upstairs? They're so funny. So funny. And my son's girlfriend and her son live here now, and he's so adorable, but man, I wish I could bottle that energy. Wish I could bottle that energy. I tell him all the time, Mimi needs your energy. Can you hear him? I wonder if you guys can hear him. He's too funny. Oh, I need to. Oh, what am I doing? My washcloth is right here. I'm worried I'm going to get that soap on my shirt. You know, one of these days I'm going to, be like a good soaper and, wear a apron or something. Come on now. Okay, this will be the last of this, and then the next layer will be white because, well, I screwed that one all up. We're going to go from a light gray to just damn white. Oh, excuse my language. Oh, Sue Lynn. Ding dong dang it. That's what I've been trying to say because my son's girlfriend's son is 3, and he's at that little mockingbird stage where everything you say, he says. So we got to be careful. Okay. All right. Let's put our weight on top, which is going to be relatively simple. Oh shoot, I might have to spread it out with a spoon. I am going to scrape this to death, so I will fast forward through me scraping this to death. I'm going to take my stainless steel spoon here, and I'm going to spread this white out as much as possible. It doesn't have to be completely covered. I think I have an actual, different plan, like a plan B. I think I have a plan B, y'all. Because there just wasn't enough of the white soap when I was done. Like I said, I guess I should have made more black than white. Let me bang this again after I get this spoon cleaned off. Alright, let me bang it. Oh, I gotta remember to bring my loaves of Grooves in the Heart downstairs, because I had them in the freezer. When Lauren came in, she was like, Mom, those look awesome, because they did the tops different this time. I laid all 6 of the neon colors on top and did, like the back and forth swirl. What is that called? The Taiwan, like would you do it on a Taiwan swirl kind of? I don't know what it's called for the life of me. But ordinarily, this soap is done where, like I do with South of Heaven, where I just come up, and because that gray is right there, it's actually pretty well set up where I can just do it. Let's get this done. I think I kind of like that. There we go. That was actually a pretty quick soap, y'all. Alright then. Okay, I spray it with some alcohol. And we will cut this baby in 16 18, sorry, to 24 hours. It could be 16, but it won't be. It'll probably be 4 days. So I will see you guys then. Bye-bye. Okay, guys, we are back. Oh, let me put my glasses on. We're back to cut dirty deeds. Done dirt cheap. I'm so excited because it actually looked like it layered correctly, at least to me. Oh, it layered way better than the last time I made it. I love it. Love it, love it. And I haven't even seen the first bar completely. See? It's all going to be, you know, the same pretty much. Just the graduation from the black to the white. So I may not cut this whole loaf with you guys. I've got so much to get caught up on with you guys, with comments and with everything, and you guys are going to know exactly when this time of year is for me, because I've been, you know, seemingly absent from talking to you guys on YouTube, and I totally apologize for being a little bit absent. I've been so stinking busy, but I'm almost caught up. And then, once we're all caught up with our current stock, we have already evaluated the things that don't sell, and I'll be able to make new stuff for you guys. I'm excited about that. I have 2 more remakes for me that you guys haven't seen that will be made. And then the rest of it's all gonna be newer stuff, at least for the most part anyway. Men seem to be our best customers, and I so much appreciate the men that come and what is that word? Whatever, come and buy stuff from us. We have some very loyal male customers, and that's fantastic. So we're gonna give you men a few more fragrances. We got some Intuition by Estee Lauder, so that will be coming up soon. I hope it plays well, because I have an idea in my head. My husband actually named it, but I can't tell you what we named it yet, or what he named it yet. So alright guys, I'm going to cut the rest of this loaf off camera, because it's all the same and stuff. So I will see you next time. Thanks as always for staying with me. Bye-bye.